Best and worst push-ups everyday trends. Customary push-ups are advantageous for developing chest area fortitude. They work the rear arm muscles, pectoral muscles, and shoulders. At the point when finished with the legitimate structure, they can likewise reinforce the lower back and center by drawing in, pulling in, the abs. Push-ups are a quick and compelling activity for developing fortitude. They should be possible from basically any place and don't need any equipment. 1. Risks of doing push-ups daily. One danger of doing anybody practice each day is that your body will presently don't be tested inevitably. That expands your danger of leveling, when you at this point don't acquire the equivalent advantages from your exercise. This happens in light of the fact that your muscles adjust and further develop their capacity when they are worried, as they are the point at which you're weightlifting or doing different activities like push-ups, for instance. So keep on testing your muscles to work on your solidarity and actual wellness level. On the off chance that you will do push-ups every day, having the right structure is likewise significant. Doing push-ups without appropriate structure can prompt a physical issue. For instance, you might encounter lower back or shoulder torment assuming that you don't do push-ups appropriately. 2. How to do a push-up. Begin stooping on an activity mat or the floor and unite your feet behind you. Twist forward to situate yourself in a high board, the highest point of a push-up position, with your palms level on the mat, hands shoulder width separated, and with your fingers looking ahead or hands turned somewhat in. Your shoulders ought to be situated over your hands. Your feet ought to be together despite you and your good faith ought to be level. Keep your abs pulled in. Gradually lower your body toward the floor. Keep an unbending middle and keep your head lined up with your spine. Try not to let your low back list or your hips climb up. Keep on bringing down yourself until your chest or jawline contacts the ground. Your elbows might erupt out during the descending development. Press up with your arms. Keep squeezing until your arms are completely stretched out at your elbows and you're back in the board, at the highest point of the push-up position. Rehash the descending development. Start with 10 push-ups, or any way numerous you can do with appropriate structure, and move gradually up as you develop fortitude. 3. How to start doing daily push-ups. Start performing push-ups every day by testing how many you can do at one time, or within 1 minute, with proper form. Slowly increase the number you perform each day, or every other day, to build up strength. If push-ups are too difficult at first or you're a beginner, start with modified push-ups on your knees or against a wall. 4. Push-up with hip abduction. Start in a high board position with your arms out somewhat more extensive than your shoulders. Lift your right leg off the floor and move it somewhat farther than your hips, keeping it lifted all through the whole exercise. Your foot ought to be flexed. Play out a push-up keeping your right leg off the ground. Perform 6 to 8 reps. Then, at that point, bring down your right leg and lift your left leg. Rehash the move. 5. What muscles do push-ups work? Those words might be feared, however, the push-up is really one of the easiest yet most useful activities you can perform to acquire strength and muscle. A push-up utilizes your own body weight as opposed, working your chest area and center simultaneously. Chest muscles, or pectorals. Shoulders, or deltoids. Back of your arms, or triceps. Abdominals. 6. Standard push-up. Start in a board position with your pelvis wrapped up, your neck unbiased, and your palms straightforwardly under your shoulders. Ensure your shoulders are turned back and down, as well. As you support your center and keep your back level, start to bring down your body by bowing your elbows while keeping them pointed somewhat back. Lower down until your chest touches the floor. Promptly expand your elbows and push your body back up to the beginning position. Rehash for however many reps as would be prudent, for 3 sets. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.